So, on with the first question. What is AFCS? So, in the world of aircraft, the autopilot is more accurately described as the Automatic Flight Control System, or AFCS. An AFCS is part of an aircraft's avionic electronic systems, equipment and devices used to control key systems of plane and its flight. The original use of an AFCS was to provide pilot relief during tedious stages of flight, such as high-altitude cruising.
What are the three basic control surfaces that affect an airplane's attitude? First is the elevator, which are devices on the tail of the plane that control pitch, so the swaying of an aircraft around a horizontal axis perpendicular to the direction of motion. And next is the rudder, that is also located on the tail of a plane. When the rudder is tilted to starboard right, the aircraft yaws, twists on a vertical axis in that direction. So when the rudder is tilted to port left, the craft yaws in the opposite direction. And lastly, the ailerons on the rear edge of each wing roll to the plane from side to side. So that's basically it, 3 of them only, to the basic control surfaces that affect an airplane's attitude.
Wing leveler. This simple type of autopilot is known as a wing leveler because by controlling roll, it keeps the aircraft wings on an even keel.
What does a servo mechanism do in an autopilot system? Servo mechanism, or servo in short, is a device that provides mechanical control at a distance. One servo exists for each control surface included in an autopilot system. The servos take the computer's instructions and use motors or hydraulics to move the craft's control surfaces, making sure the plane maintains its proper course attitude.
System. It is an instrument system consisting of electronic components that compute and indicate the aircraft attitude required to attain and maintain a pre-selected flight condition. A command bar on the aircraft's attitude indicator shows the pilot how much and in what direction the attitude of the aircraft must be changed to achieve the desired result. The computed command indications relieve the pilot of many of the mental calculations required for instrument flights, such as the interception angles, wind drift correction, and rates of climb and descent. A flight director system is an autopilot system without the servos.